Alright, let's move on to the Lisa questions. And we know two things. I don't want to go to the movies, Fandango. Trash. We know two things about Lisa. We know her total daily energy expenditure, calories per day, is 2,200. And we also know her PAL score is 1.5. So, if we know that PAL equals total daily energy expenditure over resting metabolism, BMR, and I'm given my PAL score and I'm given my total daily energy expenditure, can I compute BMR? Absolutely. We just end up shifting this around to say BMR equals total daily energy expenditure divided by PAL score. So when we do that, we take, remember we always start with our equal sign, we take 2,200 divided by 1.5 PAL, and we end up with a value of 1,466. Really 67 if you round correctly, which I did not hear, but 1,466 calories per day expended at rest. Now, let's move on to the next question. Keeping in mind that Lisa is consuming as many calories as she's expending, right here is very important, this means that she is consuming how many calories each day? Well, she expends 2,200 calories per day. That means she's consuming as many as 2,200 calories per day. And we have a question here regarding her sugar intake. And she wants to reduce her sugar intake to less than 5% of her daily calories. Well, we know what her daily calories are. It's 2,200. What's 5% of that? Well, if we go over here, we just type in 2,200 into total daily energy expenditure, all right, because that is total daily energy intake as well. Then we can go down here and say, well, what's 5% of that TDEE? And if you multiply 2,200 by 0.05 or 5%, then you end up with 110 calories. Now, we're not asking about calories here, we're asking about grams of sugar. So what do we do next? We have to divide the 110 calories, divide that by 4 because there are 4 calories for every gram of carbohydrate, and as we know, sugar is a carbohydrate. That gives us 27.5, our correct answer.